Hello, my name is David Newman. I'm going to show you how to use the calculator in USI-Tech. I've had a lot of people ask me this question, so I thought I would go through it real quick. First off, what is USI-Tech and how can it make money, or in this case, Bitcoin? First off, USI-Tech business is all about trading, mining, arbitrage, and they're getting into the ATM machines as well. And you and I can participate with them as an investor by simply buying purchases. Or excuse me, not a purchase, but a purchase package. What is a package? A package is a fixed investment that returns 140% over roughly 140 days. That's working days, Monday through Friday, at a rate of approximately 1% per working day. The cost of a package is 50 euros or roughly 60 USD. And these packages are purchased in Bitcoin and you're paid back out in Bitcoin. Okay? Let's go over to the actual Bitcoin calculator. And here, roll this over to here. If you just go over here to the commissions tab, click on that, and roll down here to BTC package calculator, click that. And I'm going to run through a couple quick scenarios. I'm not big into long drawn out videos, so you can always rewind this, of course. And but we'll go through this quickly. Let's say that you and or an investor wants to get involved with USI-Tech, and we're going to do a couple figures here so that you get the idea and know how to use this thing yourself. Let's start assuming that this person wants to buy a total of 25 packages. We'll put 25. Our average daily return is, we'll leave this at 1%, and our rebuy percentage, we're going to set it to 100%. And why am I setting this 100%? Because if you understand the power of compounding, you'll understand that what you do today is going to compound at a lot faster rate. It's going to give you bigger returns in the shortest amount of time. So let's look at 25 packages, rebuying at 100%, and we're going to hit this redisplay. Okay, here you can see there's day 0. Invested in 25 packages, and our wallet's empty because we haven't earned anything yet. Now, on day 1, you'll see a balance here now in our wallet in the form of Bitcoin. Now, this is our 1% off our 25 packages, okay? And we don't quite have enough to purchase an additional package. So as you see, from there to there, this is twice that because that's day 1, day 2, day 3. Now, you'll see on day 4, we have 1 rebuy. We now have 26 packages. And because we use the funds from our wallet, you'll see our balance in our wallet is now 0. Okay? But what we're going to do now, moving forward, is now we're collecting our 1% daily on 26 patches instead of 25. This is what compounding is all about. Let's roll down, and as you can see in the beginning, we're at day 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, compounding. 1, 2, 3, 4, compounding. 1, 2, 3, 4, compounding. So it's a little bit less than once a week, but we're just going to, for argument's sake, we're just going to say it's once a week. But you'll notice as your packages grow, your daily return is going to get bigger every day. And eventually you'll notice that these days start to shrink. Here already you're seeing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and it will continue to accelerate. You can see here day 83, we're from there to there, we got daily compounding, and then skip a day, then once, skip once, and then double here again. What I want to do is roll down. I want to show you where these packages on day 140, here's day 140, we started out with 25, we now have 99 packages. We're roughly 4 times where we started. And over here, let me expand this out so that you can see this. On day 140, we have 0 packages completed. This is tallying the actual completed package, the packages that have fully matured and therefore completed. As you see here, completed packages. So we're going to go back down to 140. Again, on day 140, they're all active. We have 0 complete. But then on day 141, it jumps to 25. That's the original 25. They've paid us back our full 140% or 40% return on investment, and therefore they're completed. So they're no longer active. But because we were compounding, you can see we continue forward. And I want to go ahead and roll down to day 300. This calculator, by the way, will only calculate up to 300 days at a time. But you can see here on day 300, we have 184 packages. That's roughly 7.5 times from where we started. And you'll also see now, we're now compounding daily, but we're also now rebuying 2 packages per day. Okay? So we have 184 packages active, and now we have a total of 114. Now, what I want to show you is, as a marketer and or salesperson who shares this with other people, you're going to get paid commissions on it. You're going to get paid 10% commissions. So let's just look. Let's assume that you shared this with someone. They bought 25 packages. They want to maximize the return. So for now, they're compounding at 100%. And by day 300, they've got 184 active packages and 114 completed. What's your commission on that? Well, let's take a look at that real quick. We have 184 active. We have 114 completed, so we're going to add 114. We have a total of 298. That's how many packages up to this point were purchased. Now you, as a marketer, the person who shared this with someone else, you're going to get paid your 10% commission. Well, these units cost, I'm going to figure this in dollars, and it's actually 50 euros, but the conversion for us is roughly $60, 60 US to buy a package. So let's multiply that times 60. That's the total of investment times 10%. Your commission by day 300 is $1,788. And you'll notice, because they're compounding daily, you're also getting paid daily. So as you can see, like on this one day right here, they repurchased 2 packages. There's 2 packages, cost them 60 times 2 is $120. Your commission's $12. The quick math on this for you is, since you're getting 10%, $60, you can just multiply this times 6. So you're getting $6, $6, $6, $6, as you can see. Now again, that's one person. Okay, so let's go back, and from there, let's go ahead and calculate the same thing again, except now we're going to do 50 packages. 50 packages, 100%, redisplay. Let's roll down to day 300. And you can see here now on day 300, they have 371 active packages. That last purchase, that one last day, was 4 packages. Your commission, 6 times 4, that's $24. Here was 18, 24, 24, 18, 24. You can see where this adds up very fast. But let's look at your accumulative commission, day 300, for this one particular person who purchased 50 packages. Again, it's pretty simple. All we have to do is add 371, it's this, plus the completed, plus 230 equals 601 times 6 equals 3,606. Okay, and the reason I'm showing you this also is, let's go back and look at when someone started out with 50 packages. You can also see that the compounding, because they started out with a larger amount, they're making more money per day. Compounding starts out at every other day, every other day, every other day, every other. So compounding is accelerating faster when they start out with more packages, as you can see. But you can see by day, I mean, we're starting to get into daily compounding here. And as you can see, by day 78, they're starting to get their 2 package purchase in a single day. Let's do one other. I'm going to show you 100 because 100 is the sweet spot. If someone decides to invest 100 packages, then what you'll see is that from day one, they're getting compounding daily. They're going to grow really fast because they're compounding daily instead of starting every other day and or once a week. Now let's roll down here to, again, day 300. They now have 746 packages, 463. $746 plus 463 equals 1209. Your commission times 6, 7,254. And if you were, say, in Europe or someplace where you're dealing with euros, it would be 1209 times 5, because it would be, again, times 50 times 10%. 50 times 10% is going to be 5. So you can just do the quick math. Times 5 equals $6,045, be the equivalent. Now again, that's paid in Bitcoin. What are the chances that 300 days after their initial investment, Bitcoin may be worth more than what it is today? That's right. It's most likely going to be more. So you can figure that this would actually be worth more to you then than it is today. Let me go to this, and I want to show you, because I've already taken the time. Here's what we just talked about. 25 packages, rebuy, fastest compounding, 100%. Compounding rate beginning once a week. 50 packages every other day. 100 packages every day. Now, let's say, as you share this, I want to show you what your income potential is for people buying these different size packages. And again, they could buy one package. They could buy 10. I had one dentist who started out with 750 packages. It's a lot of money. He spent a total of $42,000. Day one, my commission on that was $4,200. But let's look at this. 25 packages by day 300. Okay. In US dollars, that's 1,788. Now, let's say that that person wants to grow their packages 100% even further. By day 600, here's what you're looking for. 25 package, 13,374. Okay. If, like a lot of people are doing to get that maximum compound starting with 100 packages, you can see in that first 300 days to you, you're looking at $7,254. And by day 600, $54,336. Now, let me also remind you, that's one person. That's one person. Let's say that you share this with somebody. They do 100 package. Somebody else does 75. You got 3 people that do 25. You can see where this adds up to the point where you might find yourself sleepless at night. I know I have. But that's the quick rundown on how to use this calculator here. And let me show you one last thing. Let's say that this person who bought 100 packages decided on day 301, moving forward, they have 746 active packages. They want to only reinvest 25%. They have 746 at that point. 25% reinvest, redisplay. Let's look at this the next 300 days. They had 700. They have over 1,000 more than what they had before. They now have 1756, and they have 6.11 Bitcoin. At today's rate, would roughly give us at, say, let's just call it 15,000. Whoops. 15,000 times 6.1 equals $91,500. Not bad for a $6,000 investment.